Yo, fans, here we are going. The live lock off. Bomba Clamus here. Yeah. Yeah. Fans, me no gone now. We are trick fret them like a while. Yeah? Trick fret them. Facebook says something wrong, that's why the live just stop. Me don't know why. But Facebook put up on something on my page. Me don't know what me do. Yeah. But fans, you know there. Yeah? Yeah, you know there. Fret them, me not block you off on my page. More fret them, me not block you, me not block you. Come on, the fans them know much cocky you suck a week. The blood clot, yeah. I ramp with Gully Bop. Eh? Blood clot. Yeah, Wayne King, come back again. Blood clot. Me not call him Wayne King. Fret them, yeah. Yeah. I'll tell you something, I fret them. But what about people that on my page, I respect. I'm a new fans them. I'm going to apologize to my fans them right now. I'm sorry for those words that I use. Yeah? So fret them. Remember me tell you. Fret them. When you see Gully Bop, I ramp with him. Dirty Amari, you don't know say enough to ramp with me. Catty them never too know, but them learn now. Don't ramp with me. Checks never know, because I'm not that important, but him know now. Don't ramp with me. Check's wife, Humpy Dumpy, set up on the fucking wall. You see it, how long you set up on the wall and go fuck with Gully Bop and drop off and mash, and can't put it back together again. Crazy motherfucker. Ramping with the bop. I know say Facebook should have tell you not to ramp with me. Blood clot, see the girl come on in and wanted to name me again. Yeah, cause so her profile say that's why I know I'm not delete it out of my page. It there, see it? It there, yeah. Yeah. So all I who say them did that done me from where there. My time, this is not blood clots, Kelly, and this is my time. And that time you're going to any blood clot soup. Oh God, me nah go on bad again. One of my special fans come on the page right now. And me nah the fans know say Gully Bop can talk things about people who are trying to bring him down. Yeah. And the special fans here encouraged me last night and said be good. Yeah. And be nice and no cuss nobody and but let me tell my friend right now. You see me? Yeah. Oh. Cha, Lord. I love it. Alright, here we are going. Them first then. So here we are going. You see two of them first. I'm going to defend myself. Alright, me not cuss nobody word. But sometimes when I get mad, I really get mad. But look what I fret them. Anyhow who didn't know fret them, who know fret them? Who know fret them? I got about make live video nice on Facebook. And me say live. No, do this before me. Yeah? And me say the media from my bus and come out of the gully. And me bring the media. Yeah? Me one of the leading dirty man come out of the gully and build the media. So fret them. Why you did that when me no love beard fret them? Fret them, you didn't know me when me in the gully and I love beard. But it smells stinking of fret them. But fret them, I not tell a lie, still a lead me in a them time there. So fret them, you see it? Your career in there, no way, fret them. You stink to the very heaven. Fret them, I want done you. Fret them, you want me to tell you why I know you are nasty, girl? I watch up on your live all the while, you know. And you come on your live and you always sit down careless. And we are see you right through the camera up on my phone, I see and see you. And see you under here and you have one yellow drawers. I know so 1 week straight to come on live and have the same yellow drawers. Fret them that not Jesus Christ. You're lucky you don't live at St. Mary. You drunk of the plenty in the hill. You take away your blood, Lord. Yo! Hold on, what a person I say? The person I talk about, watch you know? Me now do this review. I come about 55 view. Look while they did there 81. I me never talk. Me now do this review. Me do this on you. Me now do this review, fret them. Me do this on you. Cause your pussy don't have no glue. Yo. Your pussy doesn't get one view. I will if a girl take them pussy picture and put it up in some book, some magazine, and them a get props to them pussy looks. Yo, me see all a girl get 25 Ks for your pussy. Your pussy pretty. Yeah. And fret them not get a pint. Not even big Jill. Hey. Fret them your pussy always come last in a heavy blood clot thing. Fret them. Fret them. Pussy bigger than me crep them. Your blood clamor. But here are about views. Everybody want views, me that up on live every day. What the fuck a man like Gully Papa do with views? Have views put me when me there, no? You know? Yeah. Me the only artist who do a fucking freestyle like today. And by the next 2 days to blood clamors are billions. Viral on top of viral. The whole world want to know me. Fret them, who want to know you? Fret them, talk about things them. Fret them, tell me the God truth. Tell me the God truth. Fret them, who you really be? Who is you, fret them? Who you? You really have your cuss your blood clot 59 or 54 or whatsoever blood clot views. That page are young. I soon build back my thing. I soon bring back the mix up with the whole on upon this. I come back with a different mix up. But that mix up you have to fix up on the blood clot must fret them. Yeah, I tell you. Blood clamors, the pussy come like tights. Can't tights fit anybody. You old drunker, you. Not sure you see the tights, Marga. But that's all. Mr. Malcolm, please stop. It doesn't, what? Sound good. Alright, I'm sorry. You see how my fans them reason with me and tell me? Alright, me done. So here we are going to go on and on, fans. Watch this now. Watch this now. Watch this now. Yeah. Alright, watch this now. Watch this now. Watch what I'm going to do here now. I'm going to reason with fret them. Fret them you run. I'm reason with it now. Fret them. I want me a reason fret them. Fret them. How much youth you have? Good all two. But you still doctor put out results say you have 13 picnic. Fret them. And I'm going to 2 you have. See it? All you can't pass no baby cemetery, you know. Your skull look for you. Dash too much belly in your young days. Can't breathe again, fret them. Baby. Can't not pick them put bubbles in the mirror, fret them. You're sick of it. You're sick of it, fret them, you're sick of it. Old boy, Gully Bop. Look for a big 53-year-old man. I look for a 40-year-old woman and I say she old. Old girl. Alright. Here we go on now. Here we go on now. Fret them run gone. Fret them run gone. So here we now. Me not tell a lie. Me go do something. Me go do something. Here me go do now. Fret them run. Then run, fans. Then run. Then alright. Hold on. Alright. Fret them. Fret them. Alright, fret them. Wayne King and we want name. You know you're going to go on here now? Eh? Some intelligent people, they're on my page. Them people are really intelligent. Okay? I say me have intelligent people on my page. You don't know what I'm going to do. You understand? Alright. Hold on. Blood clamors. Hold on, what that person say? Hold on, what that person say? Blood clamors. Don't get me mixed up with no cokehead. Fret me better head a cokehead. Yeah. Cause coke go in a head. Yeah? But your head go in a battle hole in a bed. You fret them. I see it, me go get nasty now, cause you start go coke with and all them thing there. See, the whole media here, you don't say me a cokehead. Yeah? You don't say Ninja a cokehead. You don't say Gregory Isaac a cokehead. You don't say Dennis Brown a cokehead. You don't say all of the artists a cokehead. So, this is people start call you cokehead and nobody call you no Gully back, no Ninja man, no nothing. So, look no, that has no nothing to it, because we make coke. Suck your mama. Get out of here. Anyway, fans, we want our good reasoning. So guess what I do now, no fans? You know what I have to do now? Block them. Block the two of them. So if you come back in another fake name, you're going to know. Yeah. You understand? So that's why I know say we are really out. Cause look. Yep, hold on. Jugs. Coke. What them call it? I'm going to teach you something and tell you something. And I'm going to say jugs. Everybody take drugs. Some put it and smoke it. Some put in a weed and smoke it. Doctor still give that blood clot when you have pain. I swallow one of them pills and it stops same time. Are the same drugs. Come on. Drugs in the when you go to a pharmacy go buy it. When you take it for no one way. You understand? So when you believe say, when you go say company media and tell people about Gully Bop and coke. But the people see for themselves and prove it. Can nobody never tell me say Ashanti 360 fish. Me know. See him pan act. Dr. Love, me know, me see them pan act. But none of them can say they ever see me pan crack. Yeah? So stuck your face under your mother frack. Stop chat. Barap bap bap. That's what my good friends in the prayer. Hey fans, that's why I know me love you, you know. Me love you. Oh, hold on. Me not understand this here. Okay. Hey, me feel so fret them a cokehead, you know. Me feel so the girl a freak of the week. Nobody can tell me that. You see, anybody will have company media come try bring down somebody and say that person they deal in a coke. Me feel so them a cokehead. That blood clot girl fret them a cokehead. You know? Cause uncle a cokehead that do them thing there. Cause right now people, the girl send some bumbleclad voice note, some wicked voice note. Fret them, me look now, although me know you're gone off on my page, me they want to play back them there. Because if you do it like I do the next one, people, them voice note them man, and send out them voice note there. One of my family could have see her and bust all her pussy and take it serious. You understand? But me tell all of my friends and everybody say, you understand, nobody watch them thing there, you understand? Because everything what them say about Gully Bop, you understand? Yeah. Everything what they say about Gully Bop, it's sell. But me can't believe this. Me see it going at the star. Somebody put up in the star. Somebody write up there and put in the fucking star. Yeah. I say, Gully Bop, I talk about Gully on my own. But Jamaica Star member, you know. So I don't take it simple. Can't discriminate me. I never do an interview with a star. Jamaica Star did not do an interview with you. Okay, Jamaica Star. You want to put me on front page? Just let me come and interview. Sure. I don't see me now look no hide Facebook. Because I run gone on stage, so I say, yes, things are going for me in the blood clot on stage. No, motherfucker. I run gone a radio station and look interview. Ray. Don't rate me, no, because I go interview. Yeah, I go there in the paper. No, remember me sing the song. I say, stay behind the fence, so no can't face me. Remember me do them tune there. Fret them a come send voice note for me I talk about say me did say. If you know something about me, take it tell me. You cannot send me for him, then think about if me know nothing about you, take it tell you. Eh? Me not take it tell you on a voice note. I tell you on Facebook, make everybody know. Yeah. I mean, Miss Nicholson, me a done star. Them can't flop with thing, you see me? And the whole of my fans, them love me know, say Gully Papa real youth. I'm not glad for me. Fans, I'm not glad for me. Imagine. Then gone all in my personal business. In my personal business now. And you know, say this make me get vexed. All of them say about me from where they me never vex, you know. But when I go up on the internet now, go tell people, go tell the media say, listen to what me I say, you know. Gully back van him have. Him not done for your feet and the man come back for you. A big disrespect that. Not many people might go say, John, no, Gully back really workless. Not even a van. Yeah, and them thing there. And the whole of what they do on me, rob up the whole of my money. And lucky me could have buy the van the people. And enough money me pay for it. You see me? So nobody can come for it. You understand? You understand me fans? Nobody can come from my van. Okay? You have the money sell me feet. Sell me it. Come back and say I give me back my money and you want it back. I like last day and live. Because I like it. I love my van. And he couldn't get it back. Yeah. How much for me there right now? If a boy try to come from my van, eh?